Hey everybody, it's TNT Tuesday with Mary today. I can't believe that it is May 19th already. Can you guys believe that next weekend is Memorial Day weekend? I totally cannot understand how Memorial Day weekend can be here already. I don't know where the first quarter of 2020 went. So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about something that we're really proud of here at TNT Customs. One of the biggest things that we like to talk about is that we are an American-made products here in our facility, right down to even the components that we have. I'm going to show you a little box that came today. It's like opening presents. Hey Brian, hey Byron, how are you? I'm going to turn this around and show you what we got today. I got this box from Casper, Wyoming. Up in Casper, which is only 3-4 hours away. 3 hours away, I think, from us. In the West, you talk hours, you don't talk miles. And if I could get one of these out, I'll show you these. Oh my gosh, they're heavy. Guess what they are? Did you hear that? So, we make a lot of our stuff here ourselves, but not these. I'm going to show you some of these. This box came with a whole bunch of great stuff. It's like Christmas here. I'm going to get a pallet from IPA out of Casper, Wyoming. Anybody guess what we got? Alright, here's what we got. These are the components to some of our control arms. He was kind enough to even thread them in there so that, hold on, I'm going to have to hold the phone funny. Threaded them all the way in there so the threads were protected. But up in Casper is where our guy does all our machining. These will get welded onto the one end of a control arm. These get welded onto the other end of the control arm. And what gets welded on there is another really super awesome American-made product. I'm going to show that to you over here. These housings. So this is just a small flex joint housing that our great friend Julene makes over at Summit Machine in Draper, Utah. So she sends us those. And then these are large ones of the same thing that I just showed you that we opened up out of the box. Eventually, it all gets welded together here to become part of our either track bars or suspension arms or whatever we need to do. As you can see, we're putting some of them together again. It's a never-ending project around here. These are our flex joints. Jolene makes all of these components in Draper, Utah, so we are very happy and proud to say that our control arms are 100% American made. I also did investigating this morning. Even the things that we get, so we get our steel from Norfolk Iron and Metal. We get that. This is all American made steel. We don't use any imported steel. Our tubing also, I called EMJ just to verify. And yes, they're going to start sending me certifications with our tubing to show that it is 100% American-made tubing that we use. So all of our components, as you see, we got a batch of lower control arm mounts today. Everything comes from the U.S. So when people ask, oh God, TNT is a little bit more expensive, now you know why. Because we only use 100% made American products. Now, even our bolts, we have a whole bin of bolts from Fastenal. Fastenal is our supplier for all our nuts and bolts. We got a whole bunch of bins. We try to either use grade 8 bolts. Very rarely do we use, we use top of the line product. We don't go and buy thousands of them from a Chinese made company. We only use the good stuff here. And well, that's what you get when that's what you pay for. When your American made products are going to cost you more, but you're going to get what you pay for. I'll show you a few things. The guys, we got our butts handed to us in April. I want to thank everybody who placed orders with us. April was a huge month. So we're still digging out of the hole with that. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that just got done in the last few days. A whole batch of aluminum corners. I know a bunch of people like those for their two-door JKs. They have been ordering them like crazy to get them stretched. And the trusses seem to never be ending in orders. These ones will be going out today. We got a new welder back here. If he didn't go to lunch yet, he might have snuck out already though. But we ended up hiring another guy to come on with our team. He's been trusses today. There's some more that'll be going out. More ready to be welded together. Trusses. More lower control arm mounts he's trying to get caught up on. And then once he gets all of these done, he's the new guy is doing pretty good. He's got a nice weld. He's figuring it all out. Everything will come to you top quality. No problems there. We also have some sliders being built. I think Jake was working on some of those. Everybody's at lunch, so you're not going to see much action right now. But we got a big batch of sliders going to Germany that they're working on. I want to say hi to everybody that's watching. Thanks for tuning in. David and Brian and Justin. Good seeing you guys all on here. Turn this around again. Last week we had a killer week for Linex also. We ended up with a crap load of trucks. Poor Justin worked his butt off last week. I'll show you one we got in for spraying this week. We got this. Came in yesterday, I think it was. It's going to get some Linex treatment. Linex Love on the inside. Looks like somebody replaced the rear bed portion of it. We're going to Linex the inside and underside. Are we spraying the whole exterior of this? No, just doing the inside and the outside. What is this thing? I think it's a Willys, isn't it? I don't know. Maybe it's a CJ. You guys watching know what it is, don't you? I'm not sure what it is. But that's going to get finished up in between other trucks and things. Justin's going to start on that this week. Got to prime it first and then spray it. He's got a nice Dodge, older Dodge. It's in pretty good shape for later. Hey Austin, how you doing? I'm Matt. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys something. My daughter-in-law is going to be working on the next 2 days. She's helping me get caught up on something for all my terrain masters that we have. Oh, you can see it's a gorgeous day in Wyoming today. Super hot and sunny for May. Last year at this time I think we had snow. This year we have 70s and 80s. I'm going to show you a sneak peek. Terrain master packages are going out this week, so hopefully all you guys will be ready to go. But I'm going to switch this around so you can see what... Oops, wrong way. We got some new Terrain Master t-shirts for all our crew to start wearing here pretty quick. Now that the world is opening back up again. They turned out pretty sweet. Got the little logo, Master Your Terrain, on there. Those care packages will be going out this week because Lindsay's going to help me get that together. And then I ordered new hats 2 days ago, 3 days ago, whatever, last week. I've ordered new hoodies. We got new shirts coming. We got all kinds of crap on the works this week. I don't know if you guys have seen these shirts. These are newer ones that not too many people have these. Those are all in full supply. And I got a new design coming for another one that's in the works. Probably a week out yet on those. Hopefully the hats will be in about a week. So keep watch on our website. We'll get all that stuff posted up in the next few days when I get my I even, don't tell Bob, but I ordered flat bill hats. Hope nobody tell Bob that because he hates those. But I have regular hats that Bob likes, and I have some flat bill hats finally coming because I overrode him, and I know some of you guys like those. So anybody got any question? What else should we get? I'm working on trying to get some of our apparel up. Anybody got ideas on what I should get for that? Uh, I know that there's a few, what are those called? Gaiters or neck things that we got to get those coming too, because we are completely out of all the ones we had before. And I don't know much else. Oh, there's Jake. He's back. Let's see what Jake's working on today. What are you working on, Jake?
Working on some aluminum.
Oh yeah. We're gonna try to get these rocker covers out today, aren't we?
Yeah.
These ones are a little bit special. Some of them were made for Matt at Great Tops. He is going to get rid of the rear door on a JK and make it a 2-door, but with a longer bed. So he had us making some custom rocker covers. I see Cotty posted up 10 more spots left for Rockfest. So guys, the world is about to open up. We need to get you signed up for Rockfest in South Dakota. Bob and I just went up there last weekend. It was a little rainy on Saturday. Bob got back yesterday. I got back Sunday night. But we were opening up some trails. Trees fall down every winter or whatever. So we got to get you guys signed up. There's 10 spots left. And you're going to have an awesome time. If you live in the Cheyenne area, you really need to go. It's only 5 hours for us to get up there. And Steel Wheel still had a few openings. I know our friends Chris and Ginger are coming from Minnesota. Our friends from Iowa are coming. We got lots of people coming, so hopefully you guys can sneak in. It would be an awesome way for you. If you've never been to South Dakota, it's amazing. The wheeling there is super fun. You can go mild to wild, and not to mention campfire afterwards is great fun with everybody. Allie wants a shirt. Oh, okay. I'll watch for that, Austin. Thanks for poking that. I need to get some more girls' shirts, huh? Any girls on here? They need to tell me their favorite color, and maybe I'll get a colored shirt for the girls instead of the gray. Maybe green, maybe purple, maybe pink. Maybe I like red. We've never had a red one. I don't know. What does everybody think? It's time to come up with some more swag for TNT and get all that stuff out the door so you guys can get some. I think I actually even got some new stickers coming. They'll be going out in every product order. And I got some pens coming. They, give away some pens once in a while. Nothing too exciting otherwise. Normal, trying to play catch up because April really did kick our butts as far as orders, and we're thankful, very thankful for that. But hopefully this week we're getting a whole bunch of them out. We had two new guys hired to help us do the welding. One guy, he's amazing at doing the aluminum, so we're going to keep him around. The other guy is doing all those trusses, as you saw, so hopefully we can stay just as busy. I appreciate you guys sharing that. Everybody get a chance to get out and go wheeling. Maybe we'll get some more TNT love spread around. I don't know much else. It's that normal time. Keep it short and sweet. I like everybody tuning in. Give me a holler if there's anything else you guys want to see today. I don't know. Otherwise, I'm going to have to say goodbye. Have a great week. Keep the TNT love coming our way. And next week it'll be back over by Bob. Hopefully we will have an LJ back from the painters next week so that they will spotlight that a little bit. I'll talk to you guys all soon. Thank you. Bye.